How to make lots of money in online stock trading. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to have your money make money, particularly in today's economic climate where savings accounts and long-term banknotes do not offer significant returns. Stock trading is not a risk-free activity, and some losses are inevitable. However, with substantial research and investments in the right companies, stock trading can potentially be very profitable. But before starting the video, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for new and interesting videos. Getting started. Research current trends. There are many reputable sources that report on market trends. You may want to subscribe to a stock trading magazine such as Kiplinger, Investor's Business Daily, Trader's World, The Economist, or Bloomberg Businessweek. Select a trading website. Some of the top-rated sites include Scottrade, Options House, TD Ameritrade, Motif Investing and Tradikeen. Be sure that you are aware of any transaction fees or percentages that will be charged before you decide on a site to use. Understanding the basics of trading. Buy low. This means that when stocks are at a relatively low price based on past history, you buy them. Of course, no one knows for sure when the prices are going to go up or down. That's the challenge in stock investing. Sell high. You want to sell your stocks at their peak based on past history. If you sell the stocks for more money than you bought them for, you make money. The bigger the increase from when you bought them to when you sold them, the more money you make. Developing your stock portfolio. Reinvest your money. When you sell your stock, you should roll your money and profits into buying new stocks. If you can make a little money every day or every week, you're on your way to stock market success. Take calculated risks when selecting stocks. The only way to make a lot of money in the stock market is to take risks and get a little bit lucky. This does not mean you should stake everything on risky investments and hope for the best, though. Investing should not be played the same way as gambling. You should research every investment thoroughly and be sure that you can recover financially if your trade goes poorly. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can be the first to watch our new videos.